Welcome to the training module on sanitation systems in production areas. Meat room cleaning products are connected to a wall mount dispenser that has a length of hose to allow free movement to clean the entire space. ServClean Foam DG is a high-foaming, clinging degreaser formulated specifically for cleaning in a food processing environment. This product is diluted and applied through a foaming nozzle at the end of the hose. The clinging foam promotes longer contact time on vertical surfaces for complete cleaning. ServClean Sanitize is the preferred sanitizer for surfaces after they have been cleaned and rinsed. Wet all surfaces and allow to air dry. This is a typical spray point dispenser. It is also wall-mounted near a water source in the meat room and at the service counter. It has 3 valves, one to dispense foam DG, the second to allow a freshwater rinse after cleaning, and the third to dispense sanitize to the cleaned and rinsed surfaces. It will be fitted with a minimum 25-foot hose to allow free movement around the meat room or service counter. At the end of the hose, there will be a fitting for a foam gun to apply foam DG to the surfaces to be cleaned. When the foam gun is removed, a spray gun can be put in its place to apply the sanitizer. While an additional 25-foot length of hose can be added, 50 feet is the limit that the equipment can support. Place the bottles in their racks. When connecting the caps to the bottles, be sure they're screwed on securely. Simply press down on the center of the cap adapter and screw the cap on normally. This will allow free flow, proper dilution, and leak-proof operation. You are now ready to use the dispenser. Another product used in production areas like deli and bakery to degrease floors is Formula 5 Degreaser. This product is diluted through a dispenser in some stores and manually diluted in others. If diluting this product by hand, use 10 ounces per gallon for most cleaning and 12 ounces per gallon for heavy-duty cleaning. It will effectively remove oily and fatty soils from floors and provide safe, non-slippery walking surfaces in the department. Apply to the floor and pick up the soil with a mop. Rinse the floor if necessary. Allow to dry before walking on it. Before operating the spray point, cover or remove all wrappers and sensitive equipment. Open saws and slicers to allow complete cleaning and rough clean all gross soils. Hand scrub larger pieces of debris from machines. Be sure the bottles are securely connected to the proper hoses and the proper gun is on the hose, and turn the first lever to apply the foam DG. Work in an organized fashion, such as clockwise around the room to ensure consistent cleaning. As a reminder, wall charts are provided and mounted near each spray point. Apply the foam DG from the bottom up. Rinse from the top down. This will prevent streaking of the cleaner. Turn off the degreaser valve and turn on the water valve. Rinse carefully to remove all residues of detergent and prepare the surfaces for sanitizing. Remember to rinse from the top down. Repeat if necessary to remove any meat particles and assure machines are completely clean. Turn off the water valve and turn on the sanitizer valve. Adjust the water temperature to cool, 75 degrees to sanitize. This is important because when testing the potency of the sanitizer, hot water can give false readings. Fill a small receptacle first to test the sanitizer concentration. Pull off a length of QuatCheck test strip. Dip the test strip in the Quat solution, avoiding any foam. Leave the test strip in the solution for 10 seconds for an accurate reading. The correct reading for proper sanitizing is 200 ppm. Simply match the color of the strip to the color code on the case. 2 things are critical: that the water temperature be cool, 75 degrees, and no hotter than 90 degrees, and that the sanitizer concentration be at 200 ppm. If the concentration is too low, the surfaces will not be sanitized. If it is too high, it can cause chemical contamination of the food. You can apply the sanitizer at hot temperatures, but testing must be done at cool temperatures first. If the spray point in your store is connected to hot water only, fill a clean receptacle from the sprayer and allow it to cool to 75 to 90 degrees before testing to assure accurate results. As a reminder, wall charts are provided and mounted near each spray point. Finally, sanitize the cleaned and rinsed surfaces thoroughly, allowing them to air dry. There are 3 main wear points on this dispenser: the valve controls, the dilution control tips, and the special caps. Make sure the screws holding the valve controls are not loose. There should be a little resistance when the valve is turned. Our professional tech will be checking the tip status every time he visits your store. Do not force the caps onto the bottles. By following the instructions earlier, the cap should go on easily. Your store maintenance man should have a supply of spare caps. For any other problems, please inform your manager. Our service phone number is on every piece of equipment, and we will immediately respond to your request. Thank you for keeping our stores clean and safer for everyone.